Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. As promised, I have to do a video on journey of Smart Trader channel and also the Untold truth. So this video is dedicated to all of you who subscribe to my channel, and we crossed 50,000 subscribers in India, and we are the fastest growing trading channel in India in English. And I would say the only competitive channel in India in English. This was possible only from the support you guys gave me. You guys gave me the support. You guys gave me the love, the ideas, suggestions, which helped me to run this channel all alone. So definitely, as promised, I will be telling you how this channel came up, what were the challenges, how much money I lost in stock market, how I came back to stock market, and how much I earned from these YouTube videos, and what are my backend team, what do my traders do, and what are my hobbies, and what are the challenges I faced when I was running this particular channel. So there are so many things I would like to share, and I thought it's high time. It's 50,000 subscribers, so I need to reveal a lot of untold truths to you guys so that we can connect better, and I'll get more support from you guys so that you guys will understand how difficultly I'm doing this video, and therefore you guys will definitely support me. So that I thought I will share openly and be transparent so that my particular subscribers know, and let's try to be totally different from other stock channels. So that's the reason this video is especially dedicated to all my subscribers. So stay tuned. So let me relax and explain you the story because it's a long story. So let me relax and explain you guys. Hope you guys don't mind it. So how did this journey start? So I will go a bit slow because most of them has difficulty with English. So I'll go a bit slow. I'm normally a little faster in English. So in the year 2013, I just finished my education. So before that, I was introduced to the stock market world. I know I used to see the stock market things done by various people, but I used to never understand. I used to think this is what is that? Old man's game, very boring game. What is this stock market? What is this? All boring stuff. I'm not into this because I was into dancing. I used to go to when I was doing my college. I used to go to schools. I used to go to studios. I used to dance. I used to choreograph for a lot of students. I had 30, 40 students. I used to train them in schools for shows. And I used to go for competitions, and I used to win a lot of competitions in fest. And life was very fun, partying around. And I also used to dance behind this, award functions. I used to dance behind these actresses and actors. I used to dance behind them. I used to get paid around 5,000 rupees. And I was in college days getting that 5,000 rupees is like you're a king in the college, right? You're earning a money. So I used to go to college in bike, and I used to put my own petrol, own pocket money. I used to eat out. I used to not carry tiffin. So life was very nice because no commitment. Everything is pocket money. Go study and go party. Go dance, party, take the money, enjoy. Then once I finished my 2013, I finished my studies and I got placed in one of the finance company. And right, family doesn't allow you to go beta, go dance and become a dancer. The society is not that evolved because the career is not that great in dance. So they said, no, please go and work. You got in a good company. Please go start working. Later we'll see about it. So that is how I went and started join the company. I started working, and I see a lot of people around there. And it's a finance company. And right, once you start working in a company, dance, everything is cut. You don't have the time to dance. And automatically, what happened? The salary which they used to pay initially, and my expenses was high because I go to party, I enjoy, I eat a lot. And I have to put petrol to my bike. I need to buy mobile. I love doing all this shopping, and I love electronic items. I love buying mobiles and stuff. But with the salary which they gave, it used to get over very soon. And when it used to come to month end, I used to, eat Maggie and all that stuff because I don't carry my tiffin from college days. And I cannot say, Mom, please pack tiffin. So I cannot tell her I'm broke, I don't have money. So I used to keep quiet, and I used to go put this 10 rupees vending machine, and I used to eat Maggie and all that came. So after 6 months, I was not comfortable, and I was like, I need to do something in life. If I just concentrate on this particular money, I cannot do anything. That is when my journey started in the stock market, considering, yes, I need to put some money and make money because few other people were making money. So I thought, okay, this is the only option because I don't have time to go dance, choreograph and make money. You need time for that and energy. You go work 5 days and you'll be tired, and you have Saturday, Sunday holiday, and you need to take rest, and you need your personal time. So that is when I thought, I should also, because I had seen stock market well in advance. So I thought this is the right time I have to invest because now I have money, I'm getting monthly money. I can put that money and make good money. So I started investing 2,000, 3,000 rupees in stock market, and I tried up and down. Within I think around in first 2 or 3 months, I lost all the 3,000 rupees. I went totally into depression. I was like, okay, I put the money now, because in those days, in those time, month end, even the 2,000, 3,000 makes a big difference, and I lost all that money. I used to feel very bad. Then again, next month's salary I used to wait, and the next month's salary I used to put 5,000 rupees, and I used to trade. Again, after 15, 20 days, I used to make 100, 200 rupees profit finally, and I lose everything. End of the in one single 15, 20 days, I lose all the money. So like this, it kept on going, kept on going. Again, salary came. I started putting 10,000 rupees from my salary. I left putting petrol in bike, all that thing. I started trading in the year 2013, and I started losing all the money. Like this, I lost a lot of money. Then, then I got an idea. Okay, I've lost almost 50,000 or 40 or 50,000. I lost almost in that particular 6, 7 months. I lost almost 50, around 50,000. I don't keep count, but I decided, okay, now I need to recover all my money. Then I'm not going to trade. So last and final, I will take a loan, and after taking the loan, I trade in that loan money, and I'm going to recover all the money. So I applied for a loan. So they told you will get up to 2 lakh personal loan. I took personal loan. When you're getting money, who will say no? So I took a personal loan. And what happened is I put 1 lakh rupees and started trading. You know me, I made around 6, 7,000 profit. I was very excited and happy, full. I was planning, okay, every day 2,000 profit. I'm going to make a big money, and I'm going to give back the loan in one shot in 3, 4 months. I had a lot of these plans. Then again, after 15, 20 days, over trading, no proper idea, no proper strategy, just guessing and putting something, and it's going against me. I lost all the 1 lakh rupees. It came up to 5,000, 6,000 rupees. Then I thought, at least I have the 1 lakh bank in balance in my account. I'll put that also, and let me try. Anyways, I'm paying EMI for the loan. Then again, I put that particular money in this 1 lakh rupees, and I started trading, and in that all the depression, I lost that money also in few months. So in almost 1 year, I lost all the money in stock market. By almost for 2014, I lost all the money in stock market, and I was like, stock market is not for me, and I lost the money, and I used to pay that loan. I used to feel so bad. I used to pay that loan. I had taken that loan for 3 years. So I used to feel bad by paying the loan. I didn't do anything. I lost that money. I'm just paying loan. Most of you guys would have had the situation, right? So even my situation is the same way. I was into depression. I couldn't go out with friends. I couldn't even dance during weekends. I used to feel very bad. That is when I started using credit card, because I didn't have money and paying loan. I used to swipe credit card and do whatever I want. And month end, when I used to get salary, I used to pay credit card. Again swipe, again pay the salary to it. Again swipe and pay the salary. Most of you guys would have done this. Same story with me. I used to do the same thing. Then I decided, okay, now I don't have money. For almost 6 months, I didn't trade. Okay, I never trade. Then I thought, why is so many people making money? Okay, there are a lot of people who have become great, right? Like Warren Buffett or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. They did something in their life, and they are in the stock market. They're king in stock market, and there are a lot of people like that in the stock market. That's why we have this news, these brokerage companies. There are a lot of traders out there, real traders out there, who doesn't even tell out they are doing a great job. But I would say 10 to 15% are doing a great job, and rest are just playing fool. Then I decided I am also a fool who's just wasting time, because I heard stock market is a big world where you need a lot of knowledge. And later, after so much mistakes, I am not learning. I'm just putting my money blindly, and I'm saying I want money back without even doing any hard work. Then I thought, okay, that is something which I need to learn, and I can also be one among the 10% of people who's making profit. So I had a hope in mind that yes, I can do something, because I was a very creative person. Because I used to be very creative in dancing or anything I used to do something differently. I used to think, why did I fail in stock market? Is it that great that I don't have that intelligence or that smartness to overcome this? That is when I took a challenge on this. But I didn't have money to come back in stock market. As I told you, if you don't have money, you cannot come back. That is when I started taking a book and a pen, and I used to see money control every day, and I used to write, okay, this was the stock going up. Okay, let me plan today. I put the stock. I used to put lakhs of rupees, because it's writing, right? So I used to put lakh of rupees, saying this stock buying at this price. It goes this. I used to trade like this, and it was totally fun, guys. Totally fun, because my real money is not going or coming. I used to fully cool out. There are days when I used to get nice 3-4% profit. I used to like, okay, I'm a great trader now. I used to feel so great. And afterwards, I used to get losses in that. Then I realized what are my mistakes. Then I started writing down my mistakes in one book, saying that mistake number one, mistake number two, mistake number three. And next day I should read those mistakes and I should not do that mistake. Whenever I see market, whenever that situation comes, I know I'll make a mistake here. I will avoid that situation. That is how I overcome. More than making profit, I started learning what are the mistakes we do. Mistake, and so many mistakes I used to do in those days. I used to write each and everything: greediness, over trading, overconfidence, all these things I used to write. And when I see the market next day, these things I will read again and I'll see the market. Okay, these are the mistakes I should not do. So this is what I followed every day. So day by day, what happened for few 6 months, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, like this, it passed away. Day by day, my sensing went higher level because every day I'm seeing the market. Every day, if you see some particular thing, you will know its behavior, right? Every day I'm seeing the market. I know today market will go this side, market will go that side. Then I was like, I have some power in my hand. I'm able to guess the market. Then I realized it's not power. It's because the time I spend, I see it every day. Now I know the behavior, when it will move, when it will dance, when it goes up. That is when I thought, let me observe the market exactly. Then I started observing. After almost 6 months, this happened, and I got to know there is some special thing in market which I can do now. That is when I started observing the market. I started seeing at what time stock moves, which stock moves. Why do people use technical charts? Why do people use charts? I started using all this, everything. I started watching YouTube channels in those days, these English channels. They used to explain some candlesticks and all. I used to read Google. I used to read in Google these definitions. What is this technical for? Why this helps for? And finally, I searched few people who in money control who used to give services those days. Well, I used to buy people's strategy videos. I used to buy people's courses. Now I spent little money, like 5,000, 2,000. I spent on this, and I started reading those. That is when multiple ideas came into me. I started observing those in the market. I didn't have money to trade, but I bought these things, and I should see the market and write in paper because my paper was my whole bundle of trade book. Starting writing, I got so many ideas in mind. If I see something, I'm getting an idea. I was thinking, why not like this? Why not I go against everybody? I should write it, and it's to work out. And I used to feel I was on the top of the world. After everything, then almost 1 year passed. In the year 2015, I got my promotion in my office, and my salary almost increased. That is when I got a relief. And finally, after 1 or 2 months of settlement of clearing all credit cards, I became stable. I took some money and put in the market. Okay, so I took some money and I put in the market. Initially, I didn't go bankrupt for 100%. I lost up to around 5,000 rupees. I went down. Within 1 or 2 months, I went 5,000 down, and I started recovering. That is when I came in the year 2015. I came up with the idea: why should I wait for a long time? Let me hit that 0.3% because I created an account in Zerodha those days. I had an account in Kotak, I had in Zerodha, so many other accounts. So Zerodha has a discount broker who used to give a very small fee of 20 rupees per trade. So 0.3% was more than enough for me. So that is when I thought, why should I think about like other traders wait for 1%, 2%? I'm not doing a long term or short term. I'm just doing intraday. I have to exit within a day. If I can exit within this fluctuation, that's more than enough. That is when I came up with this idea of 0.3% strategy, and that really worked for me. But it used to go above and below. Both sides used to go with 0.3. Then I started deciding what time I should enter and which stock will go in my direction. That is also important because if it goes ulta, it will hit your stop loss. So a lot of observation I kept those days, and from the 10,000 money, I made 15,000, and 15,000 I made 20,000. Then after a few days, I lost all the 20,000 rupees. But I learned a lot of lessons by then. I know maximum of my trade was profitable, and due to few greedy mistakes, I lost that 20,000 of rupees. That is when I decided that whatever profit I make from my decided capital, my capacity capital 10,000, anything above that, I'm going to take it out and keep it in my bank account, and I will build a backup capital. Then I started putting 10,000 again for my next salary, and I created backup capital. Then I made 10,000 rupees backup capital. I kept it in my bank. Then I started trading, and and thank God I didn't lose money from then on. I used to go in minus, but I used to not put extra money. I used to go to 5,000, 6,000 like that. And again, I used to grow back 6,000, 6,500, 7,000, 7,200. I used to come back to 10,000. When I crossed 10,000, I used to take the money and put in my bank account. That gave me a lot of confidence, and that is when I grew up. In simultaneously, I used to observe the market for 1 or 2 hours daily. I used to observe the market. After one single trade, I still observe the stocks which I just thought that it will go for the day, why it went, why it got reversed, and a lot of things. And simultaneously, I started looking into the definitions and a lot of videos, and I got to know, okay, this is why people buy. This is the chart which gives a buy. This is why people are oversold. This is the reason. These are a lot of technical terms which I learned in this journey. So altogether, all these things gave me a confidence, and finally, my profits were more than my loss because I know how to make a loss. Because I wrote down all my mistakes, I seriously know how to make a loss. If you want, give me 5 lakh rupees and tell me make a loss, guys. I'll sit and make losses. I will tell you at this point, at this particular trade, I will make a loss because I know why I make a loss. I know what are my weaknesses. I write it down, and because of those reasons, I just avoid that. And when I avoid those mistakes, it's just profit because we have only two options: either profit or loss. I just avoid loss, and the day is only profit. Okay, so that was a technique which I did because different people have different technique. So this was a technique which I understood. Rather than working how to make profit, I started working how do we make losses. I started working on how do we make losses. And once I started avoiding losses is the day when I started seeing profit. And now I just talk about profit so that we will be positive. Doesn't mean I don't make losses. I made so many losses that taught me today for whatever I am today. And all my hard work, it's not just one day I stood up, put money and started making wallet. Like you see my live trading, it's not the reason. I have struggled a lot. I've taken loans, then all the things, and finally I've recovered my loans. I made a lot of money from that. That is how today I reached my capital. I went to 20,000, 30,000. If you see 25,000, finally 50,000 is my capital now. And I never went one shot above. I'm growing above and above. And if you see, whenever my money crosses above 50,000, I take it to my capital, my bank account, and you saw how I made in 12 days my backup capital. And now recently this week again we made one more backup capital. I don't save any more backup capital because I've made so many backup capitals. I have a capacity to put 50,000 back anytime, any day. If I lose 100%, I have my 50,000 to put back my profits. But I'm investing this 50,000 in positional, long term, and in mutual funds for longer term to create assets. That is how you become big, not by intraday. Intraday is immediate money, but how you save that immediate money is how you become rich. So like this journey started, and in the year 2016, I started telling my friends, see how I make profit, see how I make profit. And many used to say, wow, nice, great. Few people used to say, hey, chumma is selling, and all. Then I used to show them, see, I'll make in front of you guys, I'll make money, see, I used to do all this. Still few people used to believe, few used to not believe. Then I used to think, okay, what is this? Nobody believes me, and I should start showing off that no, I can do this. Simultaneously, I should do dance videos on YouTube. I will show you my channel. Okay, so people who do not know this, I have a channel very long back, 4-5 years, started 3-4 years back itself. But just for it's just for entertainment purpose. I used to put my dance videos. I stopped continuing it because I put videos on Facebook right now. So if you have time, I have just linked my channel in my featured channels or in my additional channels. Whoever have talents, if you want to see dance, you can go to my channel and support me over there also. Also on Facebook, you can type Daicepaul, Daicepaul, and you can see my musical videos where I just dance and put so that I don't lose my talent of dance. So definitely I'll be showing you one video of my dance, and this is that. No more, I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, but I like to party. Touch, but I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. It was a short video of my dance, so hope there are a lot of talented people like me over there. So if you are also talented, put a comment and say what are your talents so I will know about you. So dancing was my talent, and trading is something which I developed later. So then in the year 2016, I used to do a lot of YouTube channel. I always wanted to be a YouTuber. If you see YouTube, and this t-shirt, I got it from my YouTube people gave me this t-shirt. Okay, so I wanted to be a YouTuber, and I was not at all successful. I had 3-4 channels, one for dance, one for music, and many things I used to do, wines and stuff. It's not get clicked. And in the year 2016 of December, on my mom's birthday, we had a good cake celebration, all that, and I gifted my mom a gift. She felt really happy, and that particular day I felt like I should post a video, record a video rather than doing this dance video or some video. I should post a trading video and post it on YouTube. So let me show off people, that at least few people that they see, like 50, 60 people will see this trade, and they will also get to know that I am doing, because other people don't trust that I'm doing something. I have a different unique style. Nobody's trusting. So I thought I'll put a video on YouTube. And I put a video on December 7th. I put a video on December 7th. I shot this video, and I started this channel and I shot this video from my same dance call channel, my dance channel. I created channel 2 and I mentioned it, and I was thinking the whole night what to name this channel. Then I thought I would say stock market, then I thought stock market teacher, and I thought unique trader. Many things I started thinking. And later part I thought, okay, why will people look at me if I am trading? Then I thought, okay, because I do things differently, I thought let me keep a, I didn't, I'm doing differently at different works. So I thought let me keep it a smart trader, and it should not be in my name like Dias Paul. It will be more of me. I didn't want it to be more of me. I thought let it be a channel called Smart Trader. So all the smart trader or smart trader people, let them watch this. So I just thought in that way, in a vision. I didn't never thought this channel will become big. I just thought, okay, smart trader, let's just see what it is. And I thought nobody will watch all this learning, boring stuff. Who will see? I posted a video within 3-4 days. I got 200 video views, and I got 10-20 subscribers. I was like, what is this? I should dance so well, and nobody used to subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of competition. In this field, people are subscribing to my channel, and that is how this channel started off. And within, I think, 28 days, I crossed 1,000 subscribers. Then I started posting videos, and people started watching. I soon touched 10,000 subscribers, and that is how the journey started up. And initially, I used to think why I should do a video for these guys. And people used to say, wow, you're great, you're awesome. That made me feel more good. People used to congratulate me for my dance, but someone is congratulating for my trading, because I was a failure in trading and nobody was there to listen to my story, my difficulty, how I came up. But people here are appreciating it. I felt more confident and I became more stronger and stronger. That is how this channel grew up. And once I crossed 10,000 subscribers, I had a meeting with YouTube. We had parties. I met few people of YouTube, our other YouTubers. I met them. We are good friends. And that is how the journey started. And meantime, for the ones who do not know, I still continue working from the year 2013, and till date, I'm still working in the same company, and it's really good company. A lot of people have a question, why do you work now? I would say working is not just for money. Because of that particular work, I learned a lot of skills. Today, I'm talking in front of you guys is a skill which I learned from my company by giving presentations and talking to people, and a lot of things I learned from those. I got maturity by looking at my managers, a lot of people around. I learned lessons how to be, good with people, how to talk, how to build network, and how to manage so many people. So or else I would have not managed the 10,000 people. Now totally we have 50,000 people. I could have not managed so many people. So all this planning, idea, creativeness, presentation came from this particular company. So I'm not mentioning this company because it's personal thing. I don't want you guys asking it. Personal life is totally different. So YouTube is totally different. So don't investigate or don't come near my company. Please. That's the reason I removed everywhere from my Facebook and everything. So I go to this company, and a lot of things I learned from them, and those discipline, those ideas, and those discipline and professionalism is something which I took in, and that is how I'm able to present in front of you guys, make videos in front of you guys, learn to explain you guys. Okay, so once we cross 10,000 subscribers, there are a lot of people giving me ideas, suggestions. Sir, do that. Sir, do this. So what is this? What is that? Even I used to not know what are those things. I used to read those things, and my knowledge used to build day by day. Simultaneously, once we crossed 25,000 subscribers, not 25,000 subscribers, a lot of people wanted to learn. Initially, I used to reply 10-15 people in WhatsApp very easily. I used to reply. Later, it crossed to 100, 300, 500 people, sending messages on a daily basis. I used to get a headache. I used to travel in cab to office. I used to reply these people. I used to get headache, and I was like, why should I do all this? Why should I struggle so much? I should do videos. I should reply to this. Why should I do all this? I was in that depression. A lot of people were telling, teach me. I don't even know basics. Teach me from the start. I was like, where will I go? How will I teach so many people? I cannot do anything. And I'm not a person who went to this universities and learned books by step. I came with my experience over here. So I thought I need someone who can take care of these full time, because I'm not able to give the full time. Because if I give my full time in replying people and talking to them, then nobody will do this video, because there are a lot of people like you subscribe to this channel for the videos. So I wanted to concentrate only on videos, because I have limited time. 13 hours in office, considering the traveling and office and everything. 13 hours goes in office. I need to sleep 6 to 7 hours, left with 4 hours. In this time, in the 1 or 2 hour, I need to make a video for you guys. That's the reason, if you see, with great difficulty, I will record a live trading video. When I go to gym, when I roam around, I record a video for you guys. It's very difficult. I have to upload, edit, put thumbnails. That's the reason there are days which I'm not able to make videos. My dream is to do 2 videos per day, so that YouTube should flood with our videos, and a lot of people should learn from us. That was my dream. But I'm also human, so I feel a lot of difficult. I get pressurized. Then I feel, why should I do this? But the respect you guys gave me, you guys say, great job, sir. You're doing a good job. You're awesome. You're unique. I don't want to leave my skill, how I left my dancing, because of certain reasons. I don't want to leave this. So I thought I should hold on. This is the right age. Right now I'm 26. I just completed on July 5th, as I told you. You guys know that. Same day as Saket Junjunwala. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. With great difficulties, I'm doing these videos. So hope you guys understand me. I'm revealing this truth is because you guys should understand, whenever I post a video is because of great difficulty. And when you guys say thank you, I feel really good. That's the reason I tell any comments which will impress me and comfortable, I will reply. Spammers, you don't even know. The people who dislike the video, I will never, I will never say it's wrong. You can definitely, dislike a video. You can like and dislike a video. But I want to tell, this is the reason I'm struggling and making a video for you guys. Even I have a personal life, and I have to enjoy my life. Simultaneously I have to work to be in the society over here, and also I have to do something channel, because we have grown a lot. I cannot leave this somewhere. Then I decided we need a constant team who can work for me. That is when I decided, I'm not a trained person, but let me hire a trained person. So I started hiring the trained people, these traders who have certified from this Bombay Stock Exchanges, who have learned the basics and the advanced levels, so that they can teach step by step. That's when we hired these people. Then I couldn't reply, because it crossed thousands of people texting on WhatsApp. I hired a team, and backend team, I pay them salary, and they reply to all the comments. They forward this additional services. So we created a services, so that for beginners, intraday trading, full stock market trading, strategy videos in a minimal pricing, so that everybody can learn. Compared to the competition, it's too low. I spoke to the traders, mainly for our subscribers. We do all this for very less. And you can go to my website and see the additional services they provide and they train. And these traders are the ones who do it. So this particular backend team, from morning 11 to 7 p.m., they reply continuously to all the people, thousands of people who come and question in a day. And also my traders are the ones who give these trainings and everything step by step, because these are the ones who are trained. So you would have seen my website www.smarttrader.co, and I've updated those things. For more details, you can WhatsApp the team, and they will definitely reply you. So whenever you guys say thank you, Smart Trader, my backend team says, right, this is so and so from backend team. So they are the ones who are replying, because I don't get time to do all this. Because if I spend my time doing that, then I cannot do videos for you guys. This is the main area where we need to focus. My skill is here, so I need to concentrate there. People who can give training will give training, because they are the trained ones, and the people who can reply, they are experts in that. They will do their job. So that is how we became so vast. That is how we could touch the 50,000. Because if we see few YouTubers will start these services, so that people can learn, a lot of people can get trained. But what happens? They concentrate over those services. They do by themselves. What happens? They stop posting videos, and their channel falls slowly down. I didn't want that to happen, because we were already up. I wanted the journey to go from 25 to again 50. That's the reason I thought, let me pay these people from my pocket starting and initially, and whatever it is, let them get paid. I will pay those traders. I will pay the backend team, the technical team. I pay them. It's not an issue, but I cannot stop my journey because respect is something which I want, because I can make my money by my own trading within half an hour or 1 day every day, 1 hour every day. So that was more about my backend team, and there are a lot of new traders which I have hired few months back on options, futures, and commodity. They are really good, and I always observe them for 1 or 2 months. If they are really good, I choose them for trading. So we have traders for NSE, cash, and commodity futures options right now. So definitely I'll be telling you more about it in my coming videos. So stay tuned, and you can WhatsApp the team to know more about them. These traders work specially for me. And a lot of you guys had a question: how much do I earn from this YouTube video? So yes, to be frank, 50,000 subscriber doesn't mean I earn a lot of money. You earn, to be transparent, you earn money only from the ad which is played on these videos. Okay, so if the ad is being viewed by you guys, we get paid, or else we don't get paid. We get small amount of it. So for 1,000 views, we get around $1 rupees. It is 60 rupees. If you 1,000 views, so many ads, considering you get 60 rupees. So you can calculate how much I can earn. And I would say honestly, I'm earning on an average of 15,000 rupees from these YouTube videos, which goes for my internet charges, maintenance charges. It goes within that itself. And yes, that is how I manage this YouTube thing. And this is not if it was an entertainment channel, definitely we would have got 1 million, 2 million views on a video. We would have made a lot of money. But this is a learning and education channel where people don't watch much. Only limited amount of people watch. And as you know, in Hindi, a lot of people watch Hindi, and in English, people watch less in India. So we are limited period. So I earn around 15,000, but I'm really happy because that 15,000 is a very small amount for me right now. But the respect which I'm getting from this YouTube and the love which I'm getting from this YouTube is way beyond that, and that's the reason we have become so big today. And the challenges what we face in this journey is there are a lot of challenges. Once you do something new, and when you give strategy videos, when you do live trading videos especially, there are a lot of competitors out there who are not happy with you. They indirectly warn you, saying, who are you to do all this? Why do you do all this? Stop doing all this. Stop showing off. I will tell them, you are a great trader. I'm a small trader. Whatever I know, let me do. Whatever you know, you do. That's it. Thank you so much, and God bless you. This is what I tell for everyone, because there are a lot of spammers who will try to put you down by hitting the dislike button, or by putting wrong comments in your channel to spoil the mood of your channel. They do a lot of things, so you need to be very careful while running such a. And 50,000, if someone likes you 50,000, definitely there will be thousands of people who hate you, or maybe there are competitors who hate you. Because of you, their business is going down, and I agree. I'm really sorry for that, because I came up with these ideas. Few people's businesses are impacted, but I'm really sorry. This is what I wanted to do. But all I would say is I support everybody. You guys are doing good job. Every YouTuber over here are doing good job, and we need to respect each and everyone, because everyone are spending their hard-earned time over here. So you need to respect them. I will tell everybody. This is the only channel which says go and watch everybody's channel, because we are a family. We come back here again, we learn from everybody, and we come back here again. So I don't mind people going and watching anybody's channel, share what they learn, share over here. That is how I grew. That is how I want you guys to grow. So people who supported me, because of you guys, to be frank, nowadays there are no much spammers in our channel, and there are no much disliking people in this channel, because the way you guys put the comments, the way you guys appreciate me, they are not able to spam my channel, nor they're not able to hit dislikes, because a lot of YouTubers go into depression because these competitors have a big crowd. They put in the WhatsApp group saying go dislike this video, and when they dislike, this person goes into depression. I handled a lot of such things initially when I used to grow, because these people used to stamp me. But now we are a strong channel. If someone's trying to stamp us also, there is no use, because even one person likes a video, I know I can do one more video for you guys. So anyways, I love all of you guys who hit that like button and supported me, and I love all of the people who disliked this video. Because of you, I became more stronger in YouTube also. And as I told, my hobbies is dancing, and I love enjoying. I party around, I enjoy. I'm a very humorous guy, and I like to be transparent. I like to tell out things directly. I'm a totally different person. So if you guys want to be my friend, you can follow me, or be my friend on Facebook. You can just type Dicepaul, DAICEPAUL. I'm the only person I think on this earth with this name, because I don't know how they kept my name this. There is no meaning for my name, definitely. I should create a meaning for this particular name. And also you can follow me on Instagram, Paul. So I'll be posting my musically videos over there. You can go hit a like and keep supporting me. And nobody should, but one more thing, guys, nobody should know that I'm into stock markets, all that, because Facebook and Instagram is only for personal life. If you want to be my personal friend, you can be a friend over there. You can talk personal things, but not trading, guys. Please don't ask trading questions. For that, you can WhatsApp the group and ask them. And for free videos, YouTube is fully free. We have around 180 videos which I made for you guys. Fully free for you guys. Go and learn. There are a lot of things to learn. If you watch all this video from first to last, definitely you will have a big knowledge, graph above for you guys. So Facebook is only for friendship. If you guys want to be my friend, and don't call me sir. If you're elder or you're younger, please don't call me sir. I don't like it. I'm just 26 years old. Please call me bro. I'm your friend and I'm your bro. So you guys can be free with me. You can be, like a friend. You can talk to me. If you have any problems, you can mention my group. They will inform me, and I will try to, help you guys in between if there is something, or advise you guys. And if there is any suggestions, and I want your suggestions, how do you want this channel to grow the next to 1 lakh? How do you want this channel to grow? You are the ones with experts who can give me idea. So give your ideas on this channel, and also tell me how did you feel this channel. If there's a good comments, if you felt this channel was good for you guys, put the comments. So let me read that and let me feel happy for that. And also any suggestions how to grow this channel, in terms of website, in terms of the channel art, let it be the video making, or you want me to go out like a vlog, where I go, what do I do, how do I trade, how I trade. Even in the mall when I walk, I do trading. So you want me to show that, or how do I spend my weekends, and how do I think, and how's my lifestyle with trading. You want me to advise on few things, how I think. You can tell anything, because I want to do different videos. I want to be unique. I want to motivate a lot of youngsters in India, and I want to prove people that trading is no more an old man's game. Trading, and youngsters can show how trading is, and we can be more disciplined and safe. That's the main idea. That's the reason I tell you, don't put money and trade and lose all your money. Invest your money in learning, or invest your time in learning if you don't have money. Once you're confident how I did, that is when you have to come in market, because the money which you're putting should become double. It should never become zero. Okay. So anyways, thank you so much for your support. I hope I didn't bore you guys with this long story. I never spoke so much about my personal life or my personal story, because this was a 50k subscribers. I spoke so much. Hope I didn't bore you guys, and I hope most of you guys are still watching till here, and hope you guys didn't exit. So thank you so much. I love you guys. This is one of the best channel which I see, and whenever I go to a restaurant, whenever I go anywhere, people recognize me. They tell, sir, how come you're here? And a lot of people, they don't take a bill from me, and I feel so excited. I love gifts, and people, give small gifts to me. I was like, what is this, sir? This, this is for you. I'm paying the bill for you. Please don't pay. I feel so good. A lot of respect I get in this very young age, and it feels so excited, and I want to do more and more for you guys, and definitely I will do. And this is not the end, this is just a start. Nobody can stop us. We are going to be the #1 trading channel in India, which every person will look at. So thank you so much for your support. Keep supporting, and I love you guys. This channel is because of you guys, and you guys are part of Smart Trader family. I'm just Paul, and I'm also part of this channel, and I'm not the main person in this channel. I'm a supporter of this channel, and you guys are going to drive this channel. So keep supporting. Hit that like button for this video. Break that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Give your comments. Whatever you feel, let's be open. I was transparent. I didn't want to tell all this, but I felt this is the time I should open up, because we are a family. I don't want to fake around like other YouTubers. I wanted to be open so that you will know my difficulties, and when I do something for you guys, you will know the benefits and how hardly I'm doing. That is when you guys will respect more. That was the only idea. So we will be more transparent. You guys be more transparent. The support, if you guys gives me more support and good respect and support, that is when I will do more and more for you guys and spend more time for you guys. So thank you so much. Well, that's done. So let's do a lot of live. If I have time, I will do a lot of live trading videos. Let's continue question answer videos, trade talks. Let me explain you how to handle situations in trade talks. Let me give you strategy videos. And yes, positional. I'm going to come up with positional strategies. So I think there will be a lot of dislike videos, because there are a lot of people who are experts in positional. So I'm going to come with positional, options, futures, commodities. So hoping for a lot of dislikes. So I want you guys support to give likes, so I will make more and more videos. Let's enter into those fields and let's get knowledge. So thank you so much. See you soon. Till then, take care. Love you guys. Bye bye.